Hi everyone, today we're going to be making fried zucchini fritte. I will start doing them now. I have everything here that I need and these are washed, so I'm just going to show you the way I'm going to do them. Okay, and here I have a colander, so I'm going to put some salt in them so they'll drain a little bit and then I will fry them. I'll just take a little bit out from here, so like this. And you just put some sea salt as you go, you know, like not too much, so they won't be so salty. Okay, I'm gonna set aside and I'm gonna do the mixture. Eggs. Here I have Pecorino Cheese, a couple tablespoons, Italian parsley, and fresh garlic. Crushed. I'll mix everything together. I'll put a little bit of salt here. Not too much. I'm going to set aside until the zucchini drain a little bit, maybe about 5 minutes. Let's see. Okay, and here I have flour, which I will be dipping in flour too. Okay, and I will see you soon. Okay, everything is ready. The zucchini, they've been draining. Okay. And now, with a little bit of paper towel, I'll just press on them. Dry them a little bit. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna dip them in the flour. I'll just dip enough to fry them as much as I can fit in the frying pan. And this is sunflower oil. Okay, so now I'll dip them in the egg wash. And okay, we'll get the other ones ready. Okay, we'll shut off the oil. And here are all the zucchini. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.